Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to Vidya Setu. Today, on the YouTube channel of our school, we are continuing with the same chapter, which is Lesson 10 Motion and Measurement. In this chapter, we have already studied about the story of transport, different methods of measurement, and the SI units of different physical quantities. So, now today, we are going to study about the correct measurement of length and how can we measure the length of a curved line. So let's start our class. For measuring the length of various substances, or we can say objects, we use different measuring devices. We use a meter scale for measuring the length, whereas a tailor uses a measuring tape to measure the length of the cloth. For measuring the length of an object, we must choose a very suitable device. For example, if we want to measure the breadth of a tree, or we can say the thickness or girth of tree. So for that, we cannot use the meter scale. For that purpose, we will use a measuring tape. Alright. And also for measuring the length of your chest, we will use measuring tape. Now, for measuring the smaller lengths, like the for measuring the length of your notebook or length of your pencil, we will use a meter scale. So every student have a meter scale in their geometry box. It is just like this scale which is shown in this diagram. Now students, for measuring the correct length, we should place the scale in a proper way. So in both these diagrams, the correct method of placing the scale is shown by figure A. In figure B, the scale is slightly tilted. It is not placed properly. So this is not the correct method of measurement of the length of the box. Now students, if the front part of your scale is broken, then we will not use the front part of the scale to measure the length of the box. Suppose this portion is broken here. So for measuring the length of the box, we will place the scale as shown in figure B. Okay. So हम यहाँ से जैसे ये स्केल हमने यहाँ प्लेस किया है 1 वाले मेजरमेंट से स्टार्ट होके हमारा यहाँ पे कितनी लेंथ आ रही है इसकी 6. And then to obtain the exact length, we will subtract 1 from this 6. So we will obtain 5 centimeter. Now here if we place our scale which is broken at one edge like this, then there would be some mistake in our measurement. तो बच्चे यहाँ इस डायग्राम में ये जो फ्रंट पार्ट ब्रोकन है, इससे जो मेजर हम करेंगे लेंथ को अगर, तो वो हमारा रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. तो इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वाले इससे काउंट करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. फर्स्ट वाले पॉइंट से यहाँ पे लेंथ आपकी आ रही है 6 सेंटीमीटर, बट एग्जैक्ट लेंथ निकालने के लिए हम लोग 6 में से 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो हमारी लेंथ आ जाएगी इसकी 5 सेंटीमीटर्स. ऑलराइट. Now students, we should be very careful in placing our eye at the proper point of measurement. So ये जैसे suppose this is a book and it is measuring here 7.5 centimeters. So we will keep our eye directly at 7.5 centimeter. We will not look from the sidewise. We will look from the top of the scale. Okay, so in this here in this diagram, the correct position of eye should be which is at position B. Both A and C position, it is not the correct position. तो हम लोग को जब भी मेजर करनी होती है लेंथ, तो हम लोग B वाला जिस तरीके से दिखा रहे हैं, B वाली पोजीशन से जो आई की पोजीशन है, दैट इज द करेक्ट पोजीशन. हमें साइड से नहीं देखना है बिकॉज उससे मिस्टेक होने के चांसेस थोड़े ज्यादा हो जाते हैं. Now for measuring the length of curved line, we will use a thread and a scale. So now suppose this is a curved line A and B. So AB is the curved line. So we will place a thread along this curved line. Okay, and we will tie two knots, one at point A एंड वन एट पॉइंट बी. हम लोग यहाँ पे एक थ्रेड को लेके इस लाइन के बिल्कुल इस लाइन के टच करके बिल्कुल इसके ऊपर रख देंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, और फिर हम लोग वो जो हमारा जो थ्रेड है उसकी लेंथ मेजर कर लेंगे. देन वी आर इजिली एबल टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ कर्व्ड लाइन. यहाँ पे ए पॉइंट पे जब हम प्लेस करेंगे थ्रेड को, देन वी विल टाई अ नॉट. हम लोग उसमें एक छोटी सी नॉट लगा लेंगे, गांठ लगा लेंगे. उस नॉट को हम ए पॉइंट पे रखेंगे. फिर इस थ्रेड को हम लोग ये जो कर्व लाइन है इसके ऊपर प्लेस करेंगे. And we will also tie a knot, or we can make a mark with a pen on the thread when it reaches point B. So we can easily measure now the length from knot A to the point B. तो इस तरीके से हम लोग स्केल से मेजर कर लेंगे इस थ्रेड की लेंथ, और इस थ्रेड की जो लेंथ आएगी हमारी वही लेंथ होगी हमारी किसकी, कर्व्ड लाइन की. So students, this was all about today's class. In our next class, we will study about motion and different types of motion. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.